So today I'm teaching you how to get those clicks. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Richard from Target, back with another banger. Assuming the last video was a banger, I don't know. So I know I'm not a big channel right now, but I had my other channel, my game channel, Red Light XO TV. I've been struggling with views for quite some time. I think, pretty much all my videos have been 60 views and below for my Spider-Man walkthrough. And right now, my GTA video is at 115 views, something like that. 116 views. And that's my first video on that channel to do that well, and it's a 2-minute video. So yeah, I'm not a big channel by any means, but I had a theory, I tested it, and it worked. I got my first video, or my first 100 view video, and it worked. So if you want to find out how to do that, stay around for the video. So the way YouTube works, it only recommends videos that are already being watched by people. So if it's not being watched, YouTube's not going to recommend it, obviously, right? There's a thing called an audience retention rate on your YouTube Studio Analytics per video. And if it's at 50% or higher, meaning they watched at least half your video on average, all your viewers, they watched half your video or more. If it's at that retention rate, YouTube is going to recommend it more to more people who are interested in that genre of videos. So yeah, it's a very good indicator to YouTube if your viewers are actually legit and they're watching your videos. And this is especially true for within the first 24 hours of the video's upload date. So combine this with a few good tags, a good title with keywords, both of them with keywords, a good thumbnail that's attractive, has bright colors, and that's pretty much the formula right there for people to click on your video. But after that, it's up to you and your video's content, your passion for creating videos. That's what's going to get them to stay. So today I'm teaching you how to get those clicks. And it's honestly like super simple. I don't know why. I'm sure some people have thought of it before me, but it really just makes sense. So this channel you're watching this on right now is my second channel. It's like I have all my IRL videos here. I mean, I only have one video up so far, but that's the plan. And so I use this account to watch my GTA video. It's 2 minutes long, right? So I had no I had no problem wasting my time, I guess you could say, testing this theory out. So what I did was I basically just streamed the video on my phone, start to finish, 2 minutes, for 10 views, right? And what that did, it got my audience retention rate up to 100%. If you restarted it, it would count as 100 and then more, 150%. So depending on how much you watched it, in this case, I'm the audience retention rate, and you can be your own. Remember that it has to be on another account. And so what this did was exactly what I told you earlier, got my retention rate up, and my video is recommended to more people, especially because I tagged it correctly. It was a how-to video on GTA 5, how to get in solo public sessions. If you're interested, go watch it. So for this, it worked, honestly. Every day I got 20 views. Day 1 I got to 20 views, day 2 I got to 40, day 3 I got to 64. Day 5 I hit 100, and today is day 5. So I'm assuming it's because of my theory, and as other people watched it, they're not going to watch the whole video. Not everyone's like that. They're not going to watch the entire video like me, start to finish 100%. So your retention rate is going to go down. And if you want to maintain it, I'd say keep rewatching your video if it's short like mine. I rewatched it again on my Richard from Target account, another account, so I can keep the retention rate between 40 and 50%. If you want, you can keep watching it and get it higher again, but it's not, I don't know, maybe I'll try that right now, but it's already day 5, It's the first 24 hours that's most important. I recommend you try this theory only with a video that has good content. This video is worth people's time. You know what I mean? It has value for people to stay, value for people to watch it again maybe, value for people to share with their friends. But what this technique is going to do, it's going to get people to find it first. And that's super important for, videos. It's that first initial click, that attraction, keep them coming, and your content is just gonna keep them there. It's gonna make them stay. So if you have a passion for making videos, honestly, I don't know if I do. I just like the idea of making videos. It's kind of fun, to be honest. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video somewhat valuable. If this if this theory worked for you too, leave a comment down below and subscribe. Show some love. What's good? Show some love to your boy Richard from Target. And yeah, until then, I'll see you in the next video. Lay. Oh yeah. I forgot. Check out my gaming channel. Description below. Check out my gaming channel, Red Light XOTV, and you can watch that video for yourself that I talked about in the 2-minute GTA video. But yeah, peace out. Richard from Target. Lay.